But hashtags are to social media what keywords are to blogs.
Oh, exactly.
And people get so narrow focused on this, like, this is all I need to do. And question yourself, like, step back, like, what do you want this piece of marketing to achieve for you? I mean, it's not keywords.
Who are you trying to get in front of as well?
Right. And so I mean, even like I've said this to new copywriters, and they come in. I'm like, imagine you're on the highway, you see an amazing billboard, it's beautiful, amazing food on it. You're like, I'm gonna go to that restaurant because I'm friggin' hungry. And then, nice job.
That's the lunch bell.
Yeah. So you pull off the highway because you're, wow,
there
2 for 2. You pull off the highway. Let's go for 3. Let's pull off the highway, and you show up in the restaurant, and it's infested with rats, and there's no food there, right? The billboard got you to the restaurant, but unless the restaurant can deliver on said promise and give you something of substance, why are you going to stay there? And that's what keywords and overstuffing keywords on blogs. Maybe if you do 20 other SEO things correctly and you get in the first page of Google, they'll click on it. But if it's a bunch of full of gibberish and pig Latin and jumbled sentences, who's going to stay?